Updating your billing information on Cronometer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Cronometer website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your details. You will see your current billing information displayed. Enter your new billing details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Make sure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and confirm that your billing information has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Cronometer. Regularly checking your account ensures a smooth experience with your subscription.